Hey guys, for those of you who know me well, you know my hobbies are tennis, traveling and cooking. If I'm not working, I'm usually on a tennis court having a bit of hay with my mates, or planning my next holidays, or even just at home sitting on the couch and watching my favorite YouTubers doing what they do best, which is cooking. You can mostly find me in the kitchen living my culinary fantasies, trying a few recipes. I do classify myself as an what you call experimental cook, just trying different things and see what works for me. During this global pandemic, a lot of us have been spending more time at home and doing lots of cooking. I know I have. So I am pleased to bring to you Nox's Kitchen to share with you my passion for food and cooking. The art of cooking isn't complicated, and we should all be able to whip up something tasty and exciting in the kitchen. Cooking isn't difficult, it's actually quite easy if you follow some basic principles and if you're quite open-minded to try new things, to try new recipes and basically just explore. If I can cook, you should be able to cook. It's fairly easy. So to kick things off, I'll start this channel with 3 main series and we'll see how we go from there. This channel will include Cooking with Nox. I'm very excited about this. In this series, I'll be sharing with you some of my tasty creations that are fairly easy to make, and also recipes from some of my favorite chefs and culinary masterminds. And the next series is Rice of Origin. I know you must be wondering, why rice of origin? What is it on about? In this series, I'll be taking you through a journey of rice cooking. One thing I love cooking is rice, and this can be a bit underrated. So what I'll be doing in this series will be to take you through the different rice dishes from different regions, from different parts of the world. I'm someone who likes exploring and traveling, like I said earlier. So I want to use this opportunity to share with you and then also invite you to my journey of exploring different regions and the rice dishes they have. Next one is Takeout with Nox. Aside from cooking and trying different things, one thing I do enjoy doing as well is eating. I love food, and I believe the best company to spend over a meal or drink. If there's party and there's food, I'm there. If you want to get my attention, just invite me over for a meal. In this series, I'll be exploring different local takeaways or restaurants all around Melbourne and Australia at large. And for someone who loves traveling, I might just be in your area trying out your local restaurants. So if you're in Melbourne, drop a comment with your suburbs and your favorite takeaway restaurant. Since we are on lockdown in Melbourne, this might just take a bit of time to get things going, but it's definitely something I'm looking to do. So yeah, do give me a shout, drop a comment, I'll slide in my DM like I said earlier, and let's make this happen. If you like the sound of this, help a brother out and like this video. Give me a shout out on your page. Go to my social media, my Instagram and Twitter, like and share my page as well. I bet you won't regret doing that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button to get updates on every single video I upload. If you're a food lover like me, stay tuned and let's embark on this journey together. Welcome to Nox's Kitchen.